Baby, SRF.
It's going down on the other side.
Yep.
Yeah, lost the lead.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Wow.
That's
Man.
pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah, no.
No, it's
Yeah.
staying.
It's okay.
Pictures, Bjorn?
I think.
Yeah, it's still on it.
Shit. There's an official swear word.
Exactly.
Oh my God. I'm glad we're not down there. That was totally...
No.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
We would have been screwed if we were
Actually, I
down
think I
there.
did go in.
This was really, really close.
Well, maybe we can go inside
Yeah.
now.
Whoa.
I see.
No. It's just a
Yeah,
cloud.
it's it. Yeah.
Well, we got the proper...
Holy shit. We
That was so cool.
That was so cool.
I've never seen anything like it, even in Europe.
You see a movie of an avalanche, but it's and it was so silent. You see this huge cloud just coming.
That's so cool. You saw it right at the start, so everyone could like get a glimpse.
And it's gone, right?
Oh, that was amazing.
Wow.
Good job.
I think your eggs suffered though.
Oh.
Well,
Well, in the
have to eat
area.
them.
They're pretty broken.
Wow.
Sorry.
But I think
I hope I got it.
It wasn't very big